An arc of a sector of a circle of diameter 28 centimeters subtends an angle of 135 degrees at the center of the circle O. Find the perimeter of the sector. Take pi as 22 divided by 7. So we have the sector of a circle with diameter 28 centimeters and the angle of the sector is 135 degrees. The question wants us to use this information to find the perimeter of the sector. Let's assume that this is the circle and the sector we are talking about is the sector AOB. So we will call this point A and this point B. The center of the circle is O. The question says that the arc subtends an angle of 135 degrees at the center. So the angle of the sector is 135 degrees. The diameter of the circle is 28 centimeters. When we divide the diameter by 2, we are going to get the radius. So if the diameter is 28 centimeters, then the radius will be 28 centimeters divided by 2, which is 14 centimeters. So the radius of this circle is 14 centimeters. It means that from point O to point B is 14 centimeters. We are going to find the perimeter of the sector. The perimeter of the sector is the total distance around the sector. The sector we are talking about here is the minor sector AOB. And the distance around this minor sector AOB will be the radius OA, the radius OB, and the arc AB. We know that the radius is 14 centimeters. So if OB is 14 centimeters, then OA is also 14 centimeters. So we now have the radius OA and OB. What we will need to find the perimeter is the length of the arc AB. We can find the length of an arc by using the formula theta divided by 360 degrees times 2 pi r, where theta is the angle of the sector and r is the radius of the circle. Here the angle of the sector is 135 degrees and the radius of the circle is 14 centimeters. So we can substitute this information here to get the length of the arc AB. When we do that, we are going to have 135 degrees divided by 360 degrees times 2 times pi is 22 divided by 7 times the radius, which is 14 centimeters. And this will give us 33 centimeters. So it means that the length of the arc AB is 33 centimeters. We can now find the perimeter. The perimeter of the sector will be equal to the radius OA, which is 14 centimeters, plus the radius OB, which is 14 centimeters, plus the length of the arc AB, which is 33 centimeters. This will give us 61 centimeters. So it means that the perimeter of the sector is 61 centimeters.